Hi guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be talking about the trade what I have done for the day. We'll be doing the live trade analysis, okay? And also, I'll be doing the Nifty 50 analysis as well, and will tell you how the market has performed for the day. So today the trade what I have traded is HCL Tech. So this is the stock, and I'll be showing you where it took the entry, exit, and everything. And we have traded without any indicators in a very simple way. And before that, if you're new to my channel, kindly do subscribe to my channel. So, in my channel, I have uploaded a lot of educational videos and daily live trade analysis video from last 5 to 7 years plus on consistent basis. So you can just go inside my channel and find out all these things. Okay. And if you're new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So, in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course, with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skill set to make you as a profitable trader. Okay, and the course prices are very reasonably priced. You get personal live market support as well. You can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. So guys, by being said that, now let's talk about the trade what I have done today on HCL Tech. Okay, so this was a buy trade. So it was a buy around 1646 today in the morning. So you can see here how the stock has performed for the day. So once I bought the stock, it has gone up, and the maximum high point what it has made for the day is around 1674, almost 2 to 3% up. But anyway, by following my study and the strategy and by following my trade discipline, I have kept my target up to 10 points, and that 10 points was achieved within 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, so this was the trade what I have done for the day on HCL Tech. Okay, so we were observing the stock in the morning itself. Today it was a very good bullish momentum what we have got in the morning from 1640 to 1656 almost. It was in a very good bullish moment, and you can see here the price where we took the entry was a good support level for the day. Okay, so 1646 almost was a good support level. From there you can see how good the stock has held up, and it has gone all the way up today, and this is how the trade has gone, and we have traded without any indicators. Okay, it was very simple trade, and it was very straightforward trade, and there was no indicators. So just by seeing the chart in a simple way, we have traded and we have booked the profit for the day. Okay, so if you guys want to learn all these techniques of selecting stocks like this and making a proper entry like this and want to get a live market support from me, you can join us today by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and by getting in touch with me personally. And of course, the market was also very bullish for the day. That's the reason why the stock has performed like this. Not always all the stock will go 3%, 4% up daily on a regular basis. Sometimes the stock will be range bounded, sometimes it will not perform much. Okay, but however, for intraday trading, your target is achievable if it is realistic. Okay, so if you keep a realistic target for intraday trading, you can easily achieve it, and it always depends on the stock what you're selecting, how the market is reacting, and also it's not that you always stick to your target of 10 points or 20 points. If in case if the market is going opposite, or if the stock is going opposite, and if it's not performing, you need to be flexible with that. Let's say your target is 20 points but the market is falling, or if there is no movement, you should be able to change your target to 15 points, 12 points, like that, and book your profit and exit it quick. Okay, so being safe in intraday trading is very important. So you need to learn all these techniques to be a profitable trader. So you can join us today, and I'll be guiding you all these things in much detailed way, so that you get all the idea about how we do the stock selection, how we decide our entry, exit, and everything. Okay, and now let's talk about the Nifty 50 performance for the day. So today the Nifty 50 has taken a good support of yesterday's maximum high point where it has made. Okay, so this is a good support for Nifty 50 for today. And yes, the opening, you can see here, the opening was a bit bearish. Okay, so the stock, I mean, the market has come down for the day. Later on, once it broke the initial high, what it has made on the morning opening time, around 12 o'clock. Okay, so that's where the market broke this resistance level and started going up. And yes, the market is now at 24,500 levels. So the market has made 25,000 as a peak point, and it was back for 24,000 in last couple of days, and now it's already up by 500 points. So this is how the volatility in the market has been from last couple of days. And as the market is very volatile, there are few stocks which are volatile as well. And for positional traders, it will be very confusing. And if you have not selected the right stock, you might see the stock going volatile in a higher way. So you need to be careful in stock selection. You need to be careful about your entries. Okay. So you have to make a right entries and right decision to make a right trades. Okay. So anyway, this is how the stock performed for the day, and this was the trade what I have done for the day. And if you guys want to get the personal live market support from me, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.